Welcome to Part 5 of Weather Vocabulary. 41. Umbrella. Meaning, an object used to protect you from rain or the sun. Example: don't forget your umbrella today. 42. Raincoat. Meaning, a waterproof coat worn in the rain. Example: she is wearing a yellow raincoat. Synonyms: waterproof coat. 43. Boots. Meaning, strong shoes that cover your feet and ankles. Example: wear boots on rainy days. 44. Jacket. Meaning, a short coat worn to keep warm. Example: I need a jacket because it is cold. Synonyms: coat. 45. Wet. Meaning, covered with water or another liquid. Example: my shoes are wet after the rain. Antonyms: dry. 46. Dry. Meaning, not wet. Example: these clothes are dry now. Antonyms: wet. 47. Outside. Meaning, in or to the open air, not inside a building. Example: the children are playing outside. Antonyms: inside. 48. Inside. Meaning, in or into a building or room. Example: let's stay inside because it is raining. Antonyms: outside. 49. Forecast. Meaning, a prediction of what the weather will be like. Example: the forecast says it will be sunny tomorrow. Synonyms: weather prediction, weather outlook. 50. Celsius. Meaning, a temperature scale used to measure temperature. Example: today it is 30 degrees Celsius. Congratulations! You have completed the weather vocabulary course. Keep practicing every day to improve your English. Subscribe to Avetra edu for more English lessons. See you in the next course.